Can you believe that? A Doberman is being chased by a puggle. No, Charlie. No, I'm not playing that stick game. Dude, just running up and down, up and down, up and down. No, Charlie, I'm not throwing sticks for you, no. Thought we'd do a nice long walk this morning before the rain comes down this afternoon. Maybe do a shorter one later in the afternoon. Come on. What is it with all of you guys eating grass just now? This is amazing. This was bone dry just the other day. A little bit of rain. And it totally transforms the tracks and the paths. It's starting to rain already. Hopefully it doesn't get too heavy. I'm going to have my waterproof trousers on. Got nice linen trousers on under this. Hey Otto! Jodi! Petty! Good girl! Can you hear the tractor coming down the drive, so I'll head up this way. Range for them. Come on! Charlie! Good girl, this way! Away. So you can head back down there. Come on, Scrumpy! This way! So we've come out the back road onto the drive side, just about to head into the woods. Come on! Come on, Charlie! Otto. Hey, Petty. Jodi. Oh. No, Otto! Oh, come on, Otto, no, I don't want you in the mud. It's going to irritate your skin. Come on, boy. Good boy. Good girl. Come on. Jodi! Oh. Jodi, come on! I think this is such a funny sight. Doberman being chased by a little puggle. Oh, I'm so glad they're going down to the river to get themselves washed. Come on, Otto! Good girl, Petty! Oh, no, he didn't quite go into the river. Come on! Really, Charlie? Good boy. Charlie! Good girls! Come on this way, let's go! Come on! Let's go the other way! They're all now chasing Charlie with the stick. Oh, pat from Otto. I think this is so funny. A Doberman being chased constantly by a tiny puggle. You thirsty? You thirsty, girl? Come on, this way. Let's go. Petty. Good girl. Come on, Charlie. Come on. Come on, Jodi, this way. Jodi, come. Come on. Jodi, this way. Come on. Come on. Oh, Charlie. No, Petty. Oh. I'm gonna have to hose you down when we get back. Come on, Scrumps. Jodi! Good girls. Come on. We're outnumbered here. Otto and Whisky are the only boys. We've got Penny, Charlie, Jodi and Scrumpy. 4 girls and 2 boys.